Yep. The pre-drop's like all of the difficulty. And then the duel.
No, yeah,
So like 80% of the level is the difficult part. Yeah, closer to 60. Let's go. Damn.
Oh wow, 56 new best.
Let's go.
He beat the black.
I verified the golden. Let's go.
I verified the black. Let's go.
My heart is pounding. I'm gonna have a fucking aneurysm.